of you all. Very good evening. I'm sure, I think 99% of the people in this room are wondering what a politician is doing on this occasion. So am I actually. In fact, even I'm a little, I'm at a loss for words. Typically that doesn't happen because, politicians, we're very verbose and we are known for giving long-winded speeches. Actually when we get a mic, we typically don't leave it. But this time I'm actually at a loss for words. But must congratulate Ramakrishna Garu, basically because, as he had said, this is probably the first time an Indian is actually editing a compilation of different case studies and different articles by eminent professors from across the world. I congratulate Ramakrishna Garu for accomplishing this. Well, actually, finance and accounting, when Ramakrishna Garu approached me to grace this occasion, I told him the two things that I've dreaded all along in my academic career were firstly, obviously, math. I mean, I've tried really desperately to get as far away from math as possible. Right after my 10th from grammar school in Hyderabad, the first thing I did was when my father and my parents asked me what I wanted to do going forward, I told them I'll do anything, to stay away from math. But eventually somehow it caught up with me again when I actually ended up going to the US and in pursuit of my master's in business administration. But I managed all right. Actually, I didn't do as badly as I was expected to. But eventually, the one point I wanted to convey to all of you all, especially the students from RK Business School who are also in attendance, is that it does not really matter because which school you're actually from. Because these days we see a lot of young parents, right from the age of 3, 4, 5, when they're putting their kids into a school, when they're trying to enroll them into a school, they're very worried about, the brand image of the school. Shall I put them in an Oak Ridge or a Chirek or a, DPS, all the big schools that we hear about with the international curriculums and things like that. But one has to remember, see, when we were growing up, when I was growing up, and I'm sure there are a lot of people who are younger, but when I was growing up, we didn't have this much of a choice. We had a very few schools. There was one Hyderabad public school which everybody wanted to go to, and then there were a lot of other schools. But I think what matters is not which school you're from and what tag you carry, but what really matters is how well you imbibe what is being taught at your school. So I think this book, definitely for all the business graduates and business management students, I'm sure this book will really take you a long way, and especially finance and accounting majors, whoever are in attendance here. I'm sure the case studies that are compiled in the book will be of a lot of value to you. And we must all appreciate Ramakrishna Garu, and I'm sure all the business school students here will not only emulate him, but actually surpass his achievement in the sense that, he's editing essays and he's editing a book which is a compilation of different case studies. I'm sure you'll all surpass, excel, and do very well for yourself in your academic careers. I wish you all the very best. And obviously, my favorite topic, a new state is being formed. So we've fought really hard for the last 13 years for the new state to come into being. With Andhra Pradesh reorganization bill reaching the assembly now, we're on the anvil of a new state. But I guarantee you one thing, when the new state comes into being, there are a lot of apprehensions, there are a lot of doubts, there are a lot of prejudices in people's minds. I guarantee you one thing, not much will change, and if there is any change, it will be for the better. So rest assured, especially the academic community, especially the student community of Hyderabad, you can all be rest assured that this state will not only prosper, it will thrive, it will do really well, and Hyderabad will grow into a international, vibrant city with a cosmopolitan fabric that it is popularly, famously known for across the world. So all the best to all of you, and my congratulations to Ramakrishna Garu.